Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to replace all the available kit of the RT400 CVT transaxle. First, remove the 4 screws using a T25 bit to release the driver kit and the belt. While removing the screw, hold the spring to avoid damaging the threads. Then, remove all the driven kit components. To remove the brake lever, first unhook the spring, then remove the 2 screws. The lever may be tough to pull off. Don't forget the O-ring. Remove the control cam. Then, remove the inversion kit. To remove the variation kit, first take off the rod and variation lever. Then the variation control assembly. To remove the bypass kit, remove both strips from the shift fork to liberate the lever. Then, remove the bypass lever. When installing the bypass lever, make sure that the lever is properly positioned and free in rotation. Then, clip the lever on the shift fork. Install the variation assembly on the transmission. Both variation actuators are the same. Then insert the variation lever on its post and properly clip its rod. The inversion lever must rotate freely on its post. While screwing the cam on the upper housing, make sure to properly position the inversion lever. Respect the tightening torque and verify that the cam can rotate freely. Make sure the O-ring is in position on the brake lever, then install it on the composite lever. Turn the 2 screws respecting the tightening torque. And hook the spring to the upper housing. Don't forget the washer before installing the driven kit components on the input shaft. Compress the spring to avoid damaging the threads when tightening the screw, respecting the correct torque. Install the belt in the driven pulley, then in the driver kit. Verify that the lower bushing is in the correct orientation. Then, connect both actuators' levers to the lower bushing. Make sure that both actuators' levers are properly seated on the upper housing before installing the aluminum plate on the upper housing. Turn the driven pulley to properly place the belt. Then, verify that the driver pulley can rotate freely without driving the belt.